So today we are going to talk about symmetry in biology, and the word symmetry simply means an organism can be divided into two equal halves. We have basically three types of symmetry. We have bilateral symmetry, radial symmetry, and asymmetry. These are the three types of symmetry that we have. Let's start with the first one. Number one is the bilateral symmetry. This word bi means two. So bilateral symmetry, it simply means that the body of an organism can be divided along a single plane. For example, let's say this is a human here, which I drew here. That means there is only one plane, and that plane is passing through the medial part of the organism that divides the organism into two equal halves. For example, I standing here, want to think about a line passing through that can divide the body into two equal halves. It has to be because this one here passing through the media, and there is only one plane. That means there is only one line that you can think of to divide this body into two equal halves. As it's been said that the body of an organism can be divided along a single plane passing through the media, that is through this part here, that can divide the organism into two equal halves. Most often that are bilaterally symmetrical, most often they have a cephalization. That means they have a head part, and most often they have the left and right part. For example, here, if you pass a line here, you divide it, what happens? You have the left and you have the right part. And we have the radial symmetry. It means that the body of an organism can be divided along multiple planes. That means not only one line that you can think of which can pass through and divide the organism into two equal halves. You have many. And this line that you think of which can divide the organism into two equal halves is passing through the center. For example, here, that can divide the organism into two equal halves. So let's take this one as an orange. Here we want to divide it into two equal halves. We can use this first line here, which I drew. We can use the second one. We can use the third one. We can use the fourth one to divide it into two equal halves. The first one can divide it into two equal halves. The second one also can do the same thing. The third one, and likewise the fourth one. So in this case, there are multiple planes, that means multiple lines that you can think of which can pass through to divide the organism into two equal halves. And we have the last one. But mind you, you have the example of this radial symmetry as what? Orange. You have hydra, you have okra, you have starfish, etc. You have more. And we have asymmetry. This A means not. So it means that the body of an organism cannot be divided into two equal halves. That means there is no means in which you can just think of a single plane that can pass through and divide this organism into two equal halves. That is not possible. So example we have here is sponges. Example, let me just pass a line here and you see the part I have here is not the same I have here. Also, if I can think of any way, there is no way in which I can just pass a single line to divide these sponges into two equal halves.